Of the 160 dialects of the world, accents are the fascinating audible part of pronunciation, which fall into two categories. The first is the way people sound when they speak in their native tongue. Take, for example, two native English speakers, one from New York.
It's New York, that's the way we speak.
And the other from Alabama.
Is my hair too big?
Similar dialect, but very different sound. The second is how someone sounds when they speak a language with influences from their native one. When learning a new language, certain traits from a person's native tongue typically bleed over into the new language. This is called language transfer. In English, we use two sounds for th, a voiced sound as in the, and a voiceless sound as in think. Many languages don't even make any sounds where the tongue is between the teeth. This negative transfer may cause substitutions to a similar sound in place of the unfamiliar th. German native speakers use an S or Z for the ths, while a speaker of Italian or Spanish may use a T or a D, causing think to sound more like sink, tink, or even fink. Interestingly, when the British colonized America, they sounded similar to Americans today, with rhotic English, meaning the letter R was pronounced. This all changed around the American Revolution, when the wealthy in southern England wanted a way to distinguish themselves from the lower classes. That's when British English became mostly non-rhotic, switching out their R's for the schwa sound, as in butter or leisure. Also, with T's, some Brits use a glottal stop. Water becomes water, whereas Americans usually have a soft sound closer to a D than a T, so water becomes water. An accent is more than just a way a person sounds when speaking. It actually gives away a lot about them, including where they come from, even down to the neighborhood. And sometimes more subtle personal characteristics, like socioeconomic status or ethnicity.